A Linux quick fix for sound file preview. I've recently upgraded my operating system, and one of the things I noticed was with the file manager open with audio files present, normally you can hover your mouse over an audio file and it will play it while the mouse is hovered over it. So I wasn't getting anything there, so that's the problem. The problem was when hovering the mouse over a sound file in the file manager, no sound is played. Okay, so this is the quick fix we're going to solve. All right, the first thing that I suggest you do is install the Ubuntu restricted extras or whatever restricted extras you have for your Linux distribution. On mine, it's Ubuntu restricted extras. So one of the things that package installs is fonts, audio codecs, video codecs, things that are not open source, things that are not public domain, things that may be protected by copyright or by license. And so it's not installed by default with the operating system. You have to manually install that package, but it's going to give you additional audio and video codecs that you're going to want to use. Okay, so that's step number one to fixing this issue. Step number two, you want to install GStreamer Tools. This was really the package that provides the capability of having the audio files play when you hover over them with the mouse. So I don't understand why this package isn't installed by default, but it's not. So I had to manually install it. Once you install GStreamer Tools, then close down your file manager, open your file manager back up, and then test some audio files with your file manager. So I have some open here. I've taken an alarm file, an alarm audio file, and loaded it in Audacity, and I have saved 7 different formats, audio formats of that file. So it's going to, when we hover over these, it's going to play the same audio file over and over. I know it's going to be a little tedious and a little annoying, but I want to demonstrate that all 7 of these files will play once those packages are installed that I just told you about. So first we'll hover over the AC3 file, and then we'll hover over the FLAC file, and then the M4A, and then the MP3, and then the OGA, and then the alarm, the WAV file, and then the WMA. Okay, so as you can see, after applying those packages, they're working just fine. 7 different audio formats that we just tested that are all working in the file manager for audio preview and play as they should. That's a Linux quick fix for this issue. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.